Complete Anatomy 2020 offers a host of fresh features and improvements to bring you an even more immersive 3D anatomy experience for the new school year. Check out some of the highlights. Enjoy a huge experience update with major interface improvements, including your own centralized hub for easy access to all areas of the platform, and a new, quick double-tap gesture to stop or start the heart beating wherever you are. Get quick access to where you left off with a dedicated spot for all your recent activities. Student Plus, Educator, and Pro customers can explore anatomy through transverse slices, correlating real-life MRIs with the 3D model using the dynamic cross-section feature. After months of refinement, we're excited to finally release our world-leading female thorax model to all license holders, complete with full 3D realization of the mammary gland and surrounding neurovasculature, including lymphatic drainage. Open up the world of physiology with a range of brand new microanatomy models exclusively for premium license holders, including the tongue, suprarenal gland, olfactory bulb, eye, tendon, and tooth. Premium license holders can explore a range of new partner courses recently published on the platform, covering topics from live cardiothoracic dissection to histology, with many more in the pipeline. Due to popular demand, you can now download your lectures to watch them offline on the go. You can even watch at double speed for amped-up learning. For those with compatible devices, AR gets a facelift with an easier-to-use interface and smoother object placing experience. Simply update your app to enjoy our evolution and commitment to your anatomy learning with Complete Anatomy 2020.